Right guys, I'm off out surfing now. There's some nice little sets here. It's a bit overcast today, but the waves are decent. So I thought I'd go out. I'm in my shorty wetsuit today, so their temperature 28 degrees, but it doesn't feel it because it's overcast. Alright, gonna go out now, so remember to click that subscribe button, click that little bell notification, and you'll be notified every time I update new YouTube video. Alright, catch you in a bit, but go out now, have fun. Gonna be good. Now what I have to walk over. There guys, look, I have to walk over all the fucking volcanic rock just to get out. Bloody ridiculous. You can break your ankle on here if you're not careful. You know. So you have to be careful and you have to know what you're doing. Alright. You have to know what you're doing, guys. Having a night off and drinking, ready for my birthday. How's the water? The water's nice and warm. It is just about doable. Right, GoPro, stop recording.